I will be asked kung meron ba akong best decision na nagawa sa buhay ko, I will always say this. Ito yung pinili kitang mahalin.
I know too well, there's no guarantees.
I was heading to a slightly wrong path. Medyo magulo, kahit walang direksyon. Medyo liko-liko, pero hindi yung biglang liko. Happy-go-lucky and enjoying my life to the fullest.
For the rest of forever, it's you and me.
But when God bumped you into my life, feeling ko ako si Miggy Montenegro because she changed my life. John Lloyd, oh!
You hung the moon, perfect in my eyes, the light in every room. Don't even have to try. With you, I'll go wherever. For the rest of forever.
Hindi lang in a moment, but for a lifetime.
If you wanna buy land and put down.
You made me believe in love as well as to marriage again. You opened my heart until I realized pwede pa pala. Pwede pa pala mas maging masaya, mahal.
I'll be there when it all goes right.
Thank you sa inyong dalawa sa life nyo na in-accept kami ng family ni Tito Louie. And thank you so much and thank you sa inyo lahat. Love ko kayong dalawa.
For the rest of forever, it's you and me. In every direction, you're all I see. Yeah, you hung the moon, perfect in my eyes, the light in
Now I've come to realize meron kasi pala tayong purpose para sa isa't isa. Maraming beses na natin napatunayan na we are better as one, as a team, not only to our career, in our adventures, but in our lives.
Could picture it now, way down the line. Your head on my heart and your hand in mine.
Kayo ay pumapasok sa panibagong yugto ng buhay. You've been together for quite some time, pero iba ngayon yung papasokin ninyo. Dahil yung papasokin ninyo ay may basbas ng Diyos.
For the rest of forever, it's you and me. In every direction, you're all I see. Yeah, you on the moon, perfect in my eyes, the light in every room. Don't even have to try. With you, I'll go wherever. Darling, we can do whatever. For the rest of forever. The rest of forever.
Mahal, I don't know what life would it be kung hindi ka dumating. Kaya salamat, I have you now. You are officially Mrs. Paule, my wife.
Falling in love with
Marami tayong pinagdaanan, pero sobrang proud ako sa iyo because I have seen you grow from being a boy to a man. Kaya sabi ko sa sarili ko, you are worthy of my love and chances. Sumugal ako ulit. Thank God sa tamang tao na.
tonight, 'cause I can't.
Finally, dito na tayo sa araw na to. Ayoko umiyak.
I can't help but fall in love with you.
Naku, marami makakarinig.
It's happening.
This is the day that the Lord has made. Kala ko kanta.
Oh, it's happening.
We will, oo nga, kanta nga.
Hope you like my gift. See you later, mahal. Love you.
Can't stop it. Whoa, 'cause I'm